getting a little too low now.
Yeah. A little bit of a battle over airspace here right now.
Don't fly when an old man is flying. Tip number 1.
It's kind of like don't cross the street when an old man is flying rule.
Dude,
An old man is driving.
What?
Dude, it's gonna go in the trees. Well, you got footage of our man over here.
Watch out, man. Hey man, where are you going? What the? Hey, you trying to run into me?
Yeah, he's getting a little lower, dude. I think he's trying to he's trying to shut us up here.
Ooh. Hey, you're in my airspace, man. Land.
Gotta get your foot in. Is he landing?
Landing?
Here it comes, dude.
Landing into the tree. Oh, you saved it! Oh shit! Landing?
That's some saving skills right there. There you go. Something's gonna happen here.
Oh,
there it goes.
Okay.
Now you got 30 minutes, I think.
Yeah, I got 30 minutes.
One with a big battery here. Alright, dude, get in the zone.
Alright, warming up now. Woo! Yeah, I'm not used to the sideways. Hey, what the hell, man?
Gyro?
No, he's flying again.
Oh, okay. He's flying again, dude? Yeah. Let me follow you, dude, so I don't get my head chopped off.
Okay, first attempt to forward flight, then a backflip, and then fly backwards.
Sweetness.
Alright.
I didn't get the description. I need to see it, I guess. To see what the heck you're talking about.
So forward flight, backflip, and then go backwards.
Oh, dude, I'm getting dizzy.
Shit. Dude, good thing he wasn't over there. I would have crashed into him. Okay. Alright, okay, let's do a forward flight with a roll.
Crap. Was it easier, dude?
That wasn't that good.
Yeah, it was.
Not enough forward flight.
I think you need to start from back there somewhere, huh? So at least you're not rushed into doing it. Nice, dude. Did it seem easier? I can see you're not in the mood to talk, dude.
I'm shaking a little bit. First time jitters, you know?
Sweet.
Oh shit. Getting a little too far there.
Yeah, I could barely see it, dude. Still got your orientation, man? Dude, that disappeared into nothing, dude.
Shit, man.
I can't believe you could still see that.
Hey! You're killing me, shit.
Dude, you can always put it down and take a breath, dude. You got 3 minutes in.
Okay, see what I want to do now. Backwards flight to a forward flip to a forward flight.
Do it, dude. Yeah, that looked a little.
Soccer players coming?
I don't know. A little bit. No, just one. Nice, dude.
This one's called Kill the Cameraman.
Yeah, let's not do that. I got the old man over there to do that for you.
Oh, there's a semi-tornado there.
Semi-tornado?
What, this is a 360 stall turn?
Alright, your old man flying behind you again.
Again.
Big difference with that battery, dude? That punch?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just a little bit? You're getting brave, huh? I saw that tornado attempt. You think a TikTok would be easier to try than that?
Let me try TikTok?
I think it'd be easier than a tornado to try, dude.
Oh, that's kind of scary, man.
I can barely see it, dude. I think you're flying into the abyss. Dude, you got 6 minutes in, man.
Semi TikTok. Okay, that's enough.
I don't know how much battery you got left.
Yeah, I'm doing hardcore. Too much 3D. I gotta take it down.
Nice, dude.
Woo!
Yeah, let's not do that in front of me again, dude.
Okay, where's that patch of dirt?
Yeah, let me know where you land, dude, so I can get out of your way.
Hot,
You warmed it up, dude. Dude, high five, man.
man. Time to go, dude.